Do you want to understand native speakers when they use idioms speaking English? Check out this video to learn how. Hi, I'm Steve, and this is Single Step English. Many people like to use idioms when they speak English. What's an idiom? An idiom is a group of words, but you cannot understand the meaning by looking at the individual words. You might know the meaning of the words by themselves, but when the words are grouped together, you cannot understand the meaning. In this lesson, you are going to learn the meaning of the idiom at the end of the day. If you look at the words by themselves, it can mean at the end of your workday. So maybe you finish work at 5 o'clock. That's the end of your day. Or perhaps at the end of your day equals before you go to sleep at night. For example, a boss could tell a worker, I need this report at the end of the day. Or, I need this report by the end of the day. This means you have to finish the report by the end of work today. Another example might be, I need this package delivered at the end of the day. You must send the package so it will get delivered before the end of the workday. I'm supposed to deliver the package by the end of the workday? But I have to finish this video. However, when we use at the end of the day as an idiom, it has a different meaning. It means finally or in the end. Another similar meaning is after all. For example, getting a university degree is a lot of hard work, but at the end of the day, it gives you the best chance to get a good job. We use the idiom at the end of the day before we are going to give the most important fact or statement. So, if someone uses the idiom at the end of the day, listen closely to the next sentence because it will contain the most important fact or statement. For example, let's suppose you have a job interview, and the person doing the interview might say, you're a really good person for this job. But at the end of the day, it's not my decision who the company will hire. I will put in a good word for you, and we will contact you very soon. In the previous example, the person doing the job interview said, at the end of the day, it's not my decision. Therefore, the meaning of at the end of the day is finally or after all. How about one more example? I'm thinking about taking a new job, but it's in another country. It's a really good job, nice salary, really good benefits, but I would have to live far away from my family. At the end of the day, I really think I need to discuss this, talk about it with my family. I hope you are feeling confident about using the idiom at the end of the day. Please try to write a few sentences using the idiom in the comment section below. In this lesson, you learned the idiom at the end of the day. You will hear this expression or idiom if you listen to English podcasts, if you watch movies, or if you watch TV shows. It really is used quite a lot. Thank you for clicking the like button and for sharing this video. At the end of the day, your comments and suggestions are what motivates me to continue this YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time. I still have the package? Why do I still have the package? I thought we're finished.